crews out here in Sin City at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. We're running the Flying Pig out on the track. We've got 2 new riders giving us some feedback. We've got Jesse Janisch, who's got some experience road racing. He was on fire last year racing for Vance and Hines in the flat track series.
Good start by Janisch down on the inside. He won the last race, but he drifts up high immediately.
And we've got Oleg Pianykh. He's no stranger to this bagger stuff. He spent some time on the performance machine, twin cam bagger, and a little experience with the boys over at Alloy Art running their GP bagger. So here we are. The weatherman says it's about 80 degrees. The boys definitely busy keeping the bike cooled down. So we're looking to put our best performance out there, kind of, learn what's going on with the pig here so we can all look good over in Pennsylvania for the BRL race. Maybe you'll see us at some of the Moto America stuff, but we're coming.